Hi, this is Samantha with Fastway. Today we are going to be talking about orderless ticketing. Until recently, all tickets created within Fastway were driven by an order, which included details such as the customer, location, product, and price, along with additional information including PO number, delivery instructions, job details, freight pricing, etc. Fastway now offers the flexibility of orderless ticketing, allowing users to bypass requirements such as delivery details, job information, and freight pricing, making the process quicker and easier. To make sure your system is prepped for this update, there are a few places within the web portal that will need to be updated, and your ticketing application will need to be on version 5.1 or higher. First, let's take a look at customers. To access the customer page, we need to go to the Resources tab on the top right of your screen. Move your mouse over to the Resources tab and select Customers. Select the customer you would like to set up for orderless ticketing by searching the customer name. Click the Edit button with the pencil icon. Uncheck the Require Order box to allow orderless tickets for this customer. Then, verify the customer's pricing template is set to default. The rates will be defaulted by the pricing template associated with that customer's account. The tax code for orderless tickets will be based on either the customer's tax code or the product/location's tax code, depending on how your portal settings are configured. Click Update. Next, go to the Gear Settings tab on the top right of your page and select Portal Settings. On the left side of the screen, where it says Order/Ticket Settings, is the default tax code by setting. Change to Customer for orderless ticketing. When this is set to Customer, orderless tickets will initially pull the customer tax code, but the product/location tax code will override. When this is set to Product, orderless tickets will initially pull the product/location tax code, but the customer tax code will override. Click Save. Let's go look at the product pricing template. Move your mouse over to the Resources tab and select Products, then Products and Pricing. Click Refresh. Click the Product Setup tab. Here we have all of our different pricing templates that get associated to customers. Next, go to the Product Pricing tab. These will be the rates applied for any orderless ticket based on the product, location, and price template. That is all the customer information that needs to be filled in. Now let's switch over to the ticketing app. Notice I am on version 5.0 or above. Let's go through how to create an orderless ticket. First, select the truck. Select the customer. You do not have to select an order. Choose your product, which will now look back at the product pricing template and default tax code for that customer. A new feature for orderless ticketing is the ability to select a pay type. The pay type can be selected as charge, cash, credit card, or check. Let's choose a pay type so we can see how the pricing displays on the ticket. Select credit card pay type. And now, see the rates in the sale amount panel. We can always double check the price by going back and looking at the product pricing page. Go to the Resources tab, Products, Products and Pricing. Click Refresh. Select the product you are ticketing. Select the template to default. Click Refresh. Looking at the same product, location, and price template, we can see the price matching. Now we can finalize the ticket by entering the weight. Select Create Ticket, and that is how you can make an orderless ticket within Fastway. You can always reach out to our support team by visiting fast-way.com/support and our knowledge base, located on the top right of the Fastway homepage with the question mark icon. The knowledge base has tutorials, how-to guides, and references. Thank you for watching.